Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers subscribing my channel and supporting me. Today I have taken a Math Olympiad challenge from number theory. Find all integral solution of the equation y cube minus xs cube equals to 91. In this type of question, this is a Diophantine equation. That means there are two variables but there is one equation, so many solutions possible. So we generally factorize the left hand side and right hand side, then compare. So here we'll go in the same way. So y cube minus xs cube equals to 91. If I factorize the left hand side, it will be y minus x whole into y square plus xy plus x square equals to 91. 91 can be written as prime factors, that is your 1 into 91, or 91 multiplies 1 can be 3 multiplies not 3, 7 multiply 13, 14 multiplies 7. Here it is given that all integral solution, this can be negative also, but here I have not written negative, I have taken only positive factors. Now let us observe why I have written all the positive ones. What is the logic behind it? Now if we observe y square plus xy plus x square, this can be written as half multiplies your twice x square plus twice y square plus twice xy. Again it can be rearranged to x square plus y square plus 2xy plus x square plus y square. This can be written as half x plus y whole square and here x square plus y square. Positive y, x plus y whole square is always positive, x square plus is positive, y square is positive, so this is your greater than 0. So when this is positive and thus 91 is also positive, RHS positive integrals LHS must have positive integral. There's two factors. One is y minus x, other is, which we prove that it is positive, so y minus x must be positive. So we'll take all the positive factors of 91. So we'll take 91 equals to 1 into 19, 1 into 91, 91 into 1, 13 into 7, and 7 into 13. So case 1. When y minus x equals to 1 and y square plus xy plus x square equals to 91, if I put substituting y is equals to x plus 1 in equation 2, we get 1 plus x whole square x into 1 plus x plus x square equals to 91. gives us x square plus 1 plus 2 x plus x square x plus x square plus x square equals to 91. On simplification, this gives us 3x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0, or that is your x square plus x minus 30 is 0. This gives us two factors. One is x plus 6 and x minus 5 equals to 0. So x has two values now. One is x equal to negative 6 and x equals to 5. So when x equals to negative 6, y is equal to your y minus x is 1, or y is equal to 1 plus x. So 1 plus x will be minus 5. Similarly, when x equals to 5, y will be 6. So we are getting two values here, x and y equals to 5 and 6, and another is negative 6, negative 5. Now case 2. Case 2 means y minus x equals to 91 and y square plus xy plus x square equals to 1. So from these two relations you can say that no real solution is possible. Case 3. Case 3 we have taken 13 into 7. Y minus x is equal to 13 and x is y square plus xy plus x square is equal to 7. So here is also no real solution possible. Case 4. Y minus x is equal to 7 and y square plus xy plus x square equals to 13. So here if I'll put y equals to x plus 7, so x plus 7 square, second equation, x into x plus 7 plus x square equals to 13. This gives us x square plus 49 plus 14x plus x square plus 7x plus x square equals to 13, or this is your 3x square plus 21x plus 30 to 0, or x square plus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. This gives us two factors, that is x plus 4 and x plus 3. This gives two values, one is x equals to negative 4, x is equal to negative 3. With y is equal to x plus 7, so it will be minus 4 plus 7, that will be 3, and when x is equal to minus 3, it will be negative 3 plus 7, that will be. So now we are getting two pair of values, x and y equals to negative 4, 3 and negative 3, 4. So total solutions are 5, 6, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, 3 and negative 4. Thank you for watching.